But it's not your and today I know how to use Elytra. The Elytra. Let's step on here and like that. Look. Did you see that? Let me try again. It was the half. Okay, so did you? Oh, come on. I will just back later. Okay, guys, I'm back. And I sure just 1, 2. Oh man. 1 through 1 through 1. I cannot, you know. And now, guys, I update my world, and there's a girl's bathroom. That's my house. Cozy hot tub, a shower, and a park, and my store that and there's a mailbox, and actually I updated the race car. Okay, let's use the Elytra now. 1, 2, 3. Whoop. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Hey, did you see that? I told you, buddy. I know how to use the Elytra. Oh man. Let's do it again. Woo! Woo! I'm flying! I'm flying! Woo! Okay. And guys, subscribe to all my videos and comment down below that you know, comment down below that what is, and guys, comment down below, oh, you like my flying or not, and also comment down below who's your favorite pet, Sarah or Mimi. Sarah or Mimi, or my pet dragon statue. Just comment down below, Mimi or Sarah. Who's the best pet of in the world? And thank you for watching, and this is Nod's channel. And watch some of my videos, and watch my video, my first video of Minecraft. And this is my second video, and hope you like it. And thumbs up for XX Purple XX, my BFF Nadine XX Purple XX. That's his name in Minecraft, but in real world is Nadine. So thumbs up or you like my house, and comment down below who's the best pet, Sarah or Mimi or me. I'm a dragon. And thank you for watching. Hope you like my video, and bye. Oh, I messed up.